Listen, regrets. If I could take it all back, I probably never sold crack, maybe never stayed strapped, even bring my daddy back, redirect my future, not stone like pewter, different smuts every day, cause I never had enough. My life's like golf, it was always in the rough, it was all about my greed, not the struggle is need, choices like the Matrix, didn't know which one to do, should I down the red or maybe pop the blue, should've waited on the deal and maybe cop the two, even stop getting high, can't rock with you, one life's all I have, so I keep it on my left, and I'm lost in the time like the Nazis' last breath, and that's life, and that's life, and that's the life I live. I'm talking raided houses, cracked with roaches, running back on your block when you smoking the roasters, and I'm roasting, keeping it burning, on the ground, never learning, but I'm always just learning, and it's freestyle off the top of the dome, when I switch back, hitting the chrome, in the 44-foot Taurus, coming with gats, I got stacks and packs, and bring gats with that, so I take it all back like regretting my mind, but I'm always on the grind, never hustling time, waiting, throwing it, clocks out the window, always on the grind, cause you know when the tent's slow, bitch, I'm on endo, yeah, I'm just riding, staying high, keeping on, always on my ride, my POs I know I'm blown, but I'm keeping it fly, yes, be free, and I'm keeping it right, sorta like the bread when you roll with the butter, always on the grind, but you cutting with others, for your lover, or your other, or your mother, to your brother, when I bring it back, blast, and I come for your cousin, yeah, I'm on that grind, but I never don't move, always on my grind, when I pistol, when I shoot, blast, the cash, I bring another quickness, cut the full pound, motherfucker, when I spit this and rip this, I slow it down, my mind's in the depths of hell, but when I'm walking on the streets, my name rings bells, I never tell, I stand too tall, I'm just a dope motherfucker who's born to brawl, I give them my all, so nigga wanna lay it with me, so I'ma sell my cocaine and lay their ass down, G.